In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Photopea. By the end, you'll know how to quickly isolate a subject so you can place it on a transparent background or drop it into a new design without any distracting edges. First, open Photopea in your web browser. It runs entirely online, so there's nothing to install. Once it loads, go to the File menu and choose Open, then select the image you want to work with. Images where the subject stands out from the background tend to give the best results, but this process works well on most photos. With your image open, head to the Select menu and choose Magic Cut. This tool uses your guidance to separate the subject from the background. When Magic Cut opens, you'll see an interactive preview so you can judge how accurate the selection is as you work. You'll have two brushes to guide the tool. Use the green brush to mark what you want to keep, the subject, and the red brush to mark what you want to remove, the background. You don't need to paint every single pixel. Think of it as giving the tool examples. A few confident strokes on key areas are enough for it to understand what belongs where. If you need more precision, adjust the brush size in the top toolbar so you can switch between broad strokes and fine detail. Zooming in around tricky edges like hair or thin objects can help you be more accurate without overpainting. Watch the preview as you mark. If the tool accidentally removes part of your subject, switch back to the green brush and paint over that area to bring it back. Likewise, if a bit of the background is sneaking in, a quick pass with the red brush tells Magic Cut to drop it. It often helps to outline along the edge of your subject with the green brush and then place a few red strokes in the obvious background areas to reinforce the separation. Keep refining until the selection looks clean. Pay attention to edges against similar colors, small gaps inside objects, and semi-transparent areas like veils or fur. You're aiming for a smooth, natural outline without halos. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. Photopea will automatically remove the background and leave your subject isolated on a transparent canvas, indicated by a checkerboard pattern. That's it, the background is gone, and your subject is ready for your next design or composition.